In this video, I will show you how to connect ManyChat to make.com. So let's just begin. Now, before we start, you can see we do get this connection option if we head over to our settings, and we have multiple different options in here to connect. So you can see we have Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Messenger, and so on and so forth. So we cannot see any option of N8N. So we can dive on to our let's just say integration section at the bottom, but still we do not have make.com over here. So this is because currently it does not support make.com integration right away. Recently they introduced the TikTok integration, but they are working on it, and if they do have any update related to that, I will update you as soon as possible. So if you want to unlock pro version on ManyChat, you can simply head over to the link in the description below and get a pro plan on ManyChat and enjoy amazing features. So make sure to have a link down below and simply try that out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thank you and see you in the next video.